This teenager decided to unalive his boyfriend by crashing their vehicle. Surprisingly, she survived, but her boyfriend died and his friend was collateral damage.
This was not reckless driving. This was murder.
Mackenzie Shirilla, a 17-year-old, on that day with her boyfriend Dominic Russo and his friend Davin Flanagan, were in the car when she crashed into the side of a commercial building outside of Cleveland going 100 miles per hour. Both men were pronounced dead at the scene and Shirilla survived. Prosecutors argued that the teen had a toxic relationship and Shirilla had made violent threats against her boyfriend, threatened his property, and threatened to break into his house.
Threatened his property? She threatened to break into his house?
Correct.
Reportedly, she crashed her car on purpose because she wanted to kill her boyfriend, and his friend was just collateral damage. The prosecutor said the intent was obvious upon seeing that video that there was only one goal.
You see her driving very calmly and making the right turn, and then all evidence indicates she immediately put the pedal to the metal and drove straight into a building at 100 miles per hour. I think those really demonstrated to us that this was no accident.
And a few days before the crash, she allegedly took the same route to plot the crime. This is where the judge now finds her guilty.
Count 1. Finds the defendant, Mackenzie Shirilla, guilty of murder to win Dominic Russo.
She now stands up to be placed in handcuffs as she continues to tear up.
Count 2. Finds the defendant, Mackenzie Shirilla, guilty of murder to win Davion Flanagan.
Shirilla now has a moment to speak before her sentencing.
The families of Dom and Davia, I'm so deeply sorry. I hope one day you can see I would never let this happen or do it on purpose. I wish I could remember what happened. I'm just so sorry. I'm heartbroken.
There was no medical condition that caused this as an accident. There was no mechanical failure of the car. A failed suicide attempt is not a defense to murder. There's a very good likelihood, Mackenzie, that you will spend the rest of your life in prison. She's sentenced on count 1, 15 years to life. Count 2, 15 years to life, to be served concurrent to each other.
People are asking, how did she know she would survive? Was her intention also to end her life, or maybe she truly doesn't know what came over her? Let us know your thoughts below.